struggling to make sense of today's real estate market? Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or a seasoned investor, navigating these waters can be tricky. Stick around, and I'll show you how to master the market like a pro. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: how to understand and navigate the current real estate market. This video is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Research and analysis. The real estate market is constantly evolving, and staying informed is key. Start by researching market trends, local conditions, and economic indicators. Pay attention to recent sales data, price trends, and forecasts. This will give you a solid understanding of the current market landscape. Step 2. Assess your finances. Understanding your financial situation is crucial. Determine how much you can afford to spend on a property. This includes looking at mortgage rates, down payment requirements, and ongoing costs like property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Use online calculators to get a rough estimate and consult with a financial advisor if needed. Step 3. Location and neighborhood. The old saying location holds true. Choose locations that align with your lifestyle and investment goals. Evaluate factors such as proximity to amenities, schools, transportation, and future development plans. A great neighborhood can significantly enhance your property's value over time. Step 4. Market timing. Timing can make a huge difference in real estate. Monitor market cycles to determine if it's a buyer's or seller's market. In a buyer's market, you'll have more leverage to negotiate prices. In a seller's market, you might face more competition and higher prices. Stay patient and wait for the right opportunity. Step 5. Professional guidance. Don't go it alone. Work with experienced real estate agents, brokers, or advisors who understand local market dynamics. They can provide valuable insights, help with negotiations, and guide you through the buying or selling process. Step 6. Due diligence. Always conduct thorough inspections and due diligence before making any decisions. Check the property conditions, legal aspects, and potential resale value. Hire professionals like inspectors and appraisers to ensure you're making a sound investment. Step 7. Adaptability. The real estate market can change quickly. Be prepared to adapt your strategy based on market changes, interest rates, economic conditions, or housing inventory. Flexibility is key to navigating the market successfully. By following these steps and staying informed, you'll be better equipped to understand and navigate the complexities of the current real estate market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more real estate tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.